Alright everyone, today we're going to take a look at this truly amazing piece of equipment. Is it a handheld console or is it a tablet? That's something even I can't definitively determine, nor am I in a position to declare. I think it might actually be a rear view mirror. So, let's take a closer look at what exactly this device has to offer. First, let's take a look at the main unit. It's very clean and tidy. Oh, when you stand it up like that, it's just incredibly tall, don't you think? In the front, it boasts a 14-inch 32:9 ultra-wide screen. This aspect ratio is seriously exaggerated, and I'm not even kidding when I say it's wider than many car rearview mirrors. Let's compare it to a phone. Take a look. Its length is comparable to two phones placed end to end. Let's check out the top interface. Alright, over here we have an LED purple light. That's a speaker grill for sound output. And then right here, there's also a power button. You'll find a full-featured Type-C port and two grills for air intake. Plus there's another Type-C port for PD input. Yes, this side also supports PD too. Two USB 3.0 ports and then another speaker grill over here. Look at the side. On the side you'll find a Joy-Con rail allowing you to attach the controllers and use them. This is an important feature. So, is it a tablet or a handheld? We'll find out in a bit. It's the same on this side, both left and right. Thus, the bottom section of the device is completely devoid of any ports or connectors. Instead, it features a single, uninterrupted grill designed specifically to facilitate auxiliary air intake. Now the back. The back is also quite neat and tidy. There really isn't much else to it. You'll find an exhaust vent right here, along with an antenna strip, and there's also a small kickstand. This stand allows you to prop the machine up just like so, and then it's ready to be used. It has a magnetic attachment, and it features stepless damping adjustment, so it can support many different angles. Alright, let's take a look at its rail system. You can attach the controller to it, and with just one press, activate the handle. It's a quick and easy installation. You simply slide it right on. It's the same on the other side. Once the controllers are attached, they're automatically recognized and it becomes a handheld console. An incredibly wide handheld. Let's check a traditional handheld's length. I've got one right here. This is an 8-inch handheld console, which is quite large already, isn't it? Let's go ahead and compare them. When you account for the controllers, this new device's screen alone is longer than that entire handheld, even with its controllers attached. Alright. Okay, so this is a traditional 16:10 aspect ratio handheld console. So, concerning its configuration, those are the interfaces. Regarding the internal specifications of the machine, it's currently outfitted with a Z2 Extreme processor. It also comes with 32 gigabytes of RAM, accompanied by a cooler capable of handling around 30 watts of power. And as for the battery setup, it has an 80 watt-hour battery, so this thing actually has a decent amount of battery life. Plus, these controllers can be quickly detached. And it also supports keyboard connectivity. Now let's explore what incredible things this amazing device can actually accomplish. Let's really dive in and examine it. And now at last, let's take a look at the actual weight of this device. So we're going to take out this electronic scale now. 0. Alright, position it correctly and place it on. It weighs 1159 grams, 1.1 kilos. So, for a 14-inch Windows device with an ultra-wide screen, that's what we've got. If you're interested, feel free to join the discussion group. If you like it, feel free to join the group for discussion. Alright, thank you all so much for watching.